Hello, my dears. Welcome back. Good morning again. So, my dears, in our previous class, we have talked about section C writing. In section C writing, we have seen the importance of notice and messages, and we have seen that how we make. We have understand how to make notice and messages. So today we are going to start new concept name email, electronic mail. So it is also a very important means in this modern time. Okay, we are living in the age of science. And science made our life comfortable. So that's why in if we talk about this present time, so in this time we have modern means to send our information quick, and we have the fastest means like email to send any information. And by email we not only send our information to a single person or individual or a one person. We can send to two, three, four, and more than two, three, four-person or to a group easily. And it is the quickest and the safest and the fastest means to send information to somebody by electronic mail, by using an email. Okay, and it is very easy to send, it is very easy to receive, and it is very easy to save. Okay, so all three things we have. And not only it is not only for sending to one person, we can send two, three, four, or more than, or to a group. And we can with our email, with the email we can send a file, text, images, and documents. So that's why email plays very important role in sending information to someone, and it works very quick. So we'll see email, how to write email, my dear. So if we talk about its writing, so if you go on home page of email, when you open email command, email option, so you can see home page. And on a home page we have given two part of email. The one part is called, the first part is called, if we classified email, so the first part is called what name, header, and the second part is called main body. If we talk about the first part, so you can see on my screen, in first part we have given 5 points, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have given 5 point in first part, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if we talk about first place, so we have given in order to CC, BCC, and subject. To CC, BCC, and subject. 2, in place of 2 we write email address of first receiver. In place of CC we write email address of second receiver. In place of BCC we write email address of third receiver if required. And in place of subject we write the theme of concerning issue, the theme of concerning subject. So it was the first part of email, that is called header. In header we have given 4 options. Number 1 we have given 2, number 2 CC, number 3 BCC, number 4 subject. So in place of 2, we write email address of first receiver. In place of CC we write email address of second receiver. In place of BCC we write email address of third receiver if required. Or number 4, in place of subject we write the theme and the concerning subject of email. So it was the first part. We will talk about second part, body. So in second part, in lower part of email, from the first we start salutation. Respected sir, respected ma'am, dear sir, dear ma'am. We start from salutation, means specific content clue. Then number 2, main body of email. So email can be formal or informal both. So we write main body of email like wise. We write later, as we write later, so we can write the main body as we write later. Then at last, right hand side, then left hand side, on left hand side at last we again write salutation. We again write salutation means our name, means sender's name. Okay, sender's name, designation, okay, and mobile number, contact number, email address at the last left hand side, okay, in salutation. So like that, on the basis of these points, we can easily deal with email, and we can easily send an email. We can receive, save and send an email easily if you have idea of these points. Okay. So again, I am going to discuss on home page. When we open email option, number one, we have given two, the number two, CC, BCC and subject. Two means email address of first receiver, CC means email address of second receiver, BCC means email address of third receiver if required. Number four, subject, so we write theme or a specific theme, okay, of given on given subject. Okay, then if we talk about so it was header, and second part of email, body. So on body, number one, on the top left hand side, we write respected sir or madam, okay, salutation. Okay, number two, main body, like we write letter, can be formal, informal, and at last on left hand side we write again salutation, name, mobile number, email address. Okay, so let's discuss on let's start solving some email. Okay, so okay, we are dealing with some email. Number one, your friend waste a lot of time on internet. Okay, your friend wasting lots of time on internet. Okay, he visits sites and related to horoscope and numerology, means hastrekha vigyan or rashifal. Okay, your friend wasting his time in searching on internet on sites neurology and horoscope, means hastrekha vigyan or rashifal. So you should advise him to stop this, okay, and go for study. Okay, so as I mentioned you, okay, as we open email command, so on top we have given two, CC, BCC and subject, and the all called header, means main first part of email. Okay, so in first part of email header, number one, two means email address of first receiver. So here, who is first receiver? uh, your friend, okay, your friend is first receiver. Okay, your friend Vinay Mehta. So we write email address of first receiver. Okay, Vinay Mehta @hotmail.com. Number two, CC, email address of second receiver. So we have not given. It is a conversation between you and your friend. So you are just two, and you are making email to a single person. So there is no chance of second receiver. Then BCC, there is no chance for third receiver. We have not given. Then subject. Subject means he was wasting his time. So you should write the subject. Okay, means subject concerning main theme. Okay, so time is precious. You are showing your friend, you are just requesting your friend not to do this, and you are showing the importance of time, so time is precious, can be, would be our subject. Then second part of email, in second part, first we start with salutation, means Vinay, my dear, my brother Vinay. Okay, now then we write we write letter, can be formal, informal, both. So now that we are in 12th standard, yes, you are studying in 12th standard, you should devote your time for studying, but you are wasting time on internet. Okay, and you informed me that you are searching for horoscope. Okay, you are watching for science, symbol and numerology. So you are wasting your time on internet in watching numerology and what name, horoscope. Okay, as a well wisher, I am a well wisher for you. As a well wisher and a good friend, I want to advise you, I want to suggest you, I want to advise you that you should be serious, my dear, for exam, because we are the student of 12th standard. Okay, we are the student of board. Okay, our time is very precious, our time is like gold and gold, and you are wasting our time. Okay, you are wasting your time in searching horoscope and numerology. Okay, so you should push yourself towards study. You have to make your future bright. Okay, it will be very difficult to get admission if you had if you gets lower rank or lower mark. Okay, so you should devote your precious time in studying. It is better to study, and you should pay, and you should what name concentrate your time. You should pay, and you should concentrate yourself in study. Then at the last we conclude and we salute again. Then at the last of email, okay, second body of email, at the last of email, again we conclude email, okay, by saying, I hope you will take my advice seriously, and you will follow me, and now you will do serious study. Okay, then at last we salute. Okay, salutation, good luck, your friend Bebhav, mobile number and email address. Okay, so it was about an email. Okay, now we are going to see one more email. Okay, we'll discuss on two email. So you have to book a room for your family for 5 days. Okay, you have booked a room for 5 days for your family, because on New Year you have intent to go Goa. So in Goa you have already booked hotel for 5 days. Okay, so write an email to the manager of a hotel in Goa to book a room for you and your family. Give all the necessary detail. Okay, so you wanted to book. Okay, you just wanted to book a hotel. Okay, in which you wanted to stay with your family for enjoying in vacation. Okay, you wanted to enjoy the vacation in Goa on okay, what at what time? Okay, when? So on first day, on New Year. Okay, so you wanted to stay there. Okay, at the time of New Year, so you wanted to inform hotel manager as you are staying with your family for 5 days. Okay, on the occasion of New Year. So then again we have same point to deal. Okay, we talk about header, means the first part of body of email. So we have given two, CC, BCC and subject. In place of two, we write email address of first receiver. So who will be first receiver? Manager. Okay, manager cwood@hotmail.com. Number two, CC. We have not given CC because it is a conversation between two person, you and a hotel manager of Goa. Okay. Then BCC. So you have not given email address of third person if required. Number four, subject. So it is about your vacation. You have intended to go Goa on occasion of New Year. Okay. So booking accommodation. What subject you write? Booking accommodation, because you wanted to book your accommodation for 5 days. Okay, then you started. Then after this 4 point, we just go to second part of email, means its body. Okay, after header. So first you salute by saying, dear sir or madam, respected sir or madam, I would like to reserve. Okay, you would like to reserve a deluxe room. Okay, you are requiring for a deluxe room in a hotel. Okay, so then you just tell about the family member, you and your wife. Okay, and you wanted to stay in hotel from 29 December to 3rd January. Okay, you wanted to stay in hotel from 29 to 3rd January. Okay, so and who will stay the hotel, or who will stay in the hotel? Okay, so you have already mentioned that I would like to reserve a deluxe room in your hotel for me and my wife from 29 to 3rd January. Okay, from 29 to 3rd January you wanted to stay. Okay, and charges will be paid through my credit. You wanted to pay the charges by using your credit card. You are using your credit card for paying money. Okay, and you wanted to pay first initial deposit. You are ready to pay for initial deposit. Okay, and you are asking for discount also. Okay, you are asking for discount. Then you just show your credit card number, you show your name. Okay, and expiry date, credit card number, name and expiry date of credit card. Then at the last you conclude the email by saying, looking forward to email regarding confirmation of reservation. Means you are watching for the confirmation from hotel. If they had booked, if they had reserved the deluxe room for you, okay, which you had planned to go Goa on New Year, okay. So then at the last salutation, thank you, and you sign your name, email number, email address and mobile number with the mobile number. So it was one more email.